Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to finish this bra cup, and this is the part 3 of it. And I finished the bra cup and this bottom one here. So now I'm just going to finish, or I'm just going to show you guys what I did for the strap. Okay, so for the strap and for the tie at the back. Okay, so what I did here is just a cord, and I just attached here, and then I made some tassel. Okay, so this is what am I going to show you today. So it's the same here as well. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how I did it and how I attached them. Okay guys, so we're here, and let's start our part 3 video. I'm sure this is 4mm hook. Okay, so it's just you can't see it properly as it's gone. Okay, so let's start. So first is we are going to do our slip knot. And then chain. So chain the length that you desire or that you need. So just chain, so with the cord guys, there's different ways as well that you can make them, but with mine I just did a chain. Okay, so continue the guys and do how many chains do you need, or the measurement that you needed. And I'm going to show you guys the one that I created and the measurement of it. Okay guys, so I have my measurement. Okay, so let's measure it. Then I'm going to give you the measurement. Okay, so it is 55 inch. So it is 55 inch. Okay, so after that, so it depends guys, if you're big, and then you can adjust. Okay, so after that we're going to cut it off. Okay, so cut there. Then what I love to do is just pull that and just secure that in the end. Okay, then with the tassels, okay, so if you like the tassels, and then you can put it. If you don't like the tassels, you can just leave it just like that. Okay, guys, so with my tassels, okay, I use my AirPod, okay, just to make sure that. Okay, how do I do it? Okay, so you just have to wrap 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and then you take that off. And what you're going to do now is from here, okay, you grab one end of your work, and then you just have to insert the end in there, and you tie a knot. You tie a knot. just to secure. And what we're going to do now is just press that, and from the yarn that you're holding, okay, we are going to wrap this one. Okay, wrap, and just secure that, pulling it tight. Okay, and then if you have that fix, now what we're going to do is make this circle, okay, and insert your yarn and just secure it. Okay, so this way. Okay, and you can see that it is secured, and then you just have to tie it up. Okay, and then you can sew this and then insert into the inside. Okay, put it inside and you tied it up again. Okay, and then just hold that and secure that tight. Okay, and then after that you're just going to bring that down, okay, and trim this off. And then what I love to do is this end and this end, okay, I tie them up. Okay, and then just bring that down. What we're going to do now is cut this. Okay, and just trim that the same length. Okay, and then that is your tassels. Okay, so you have to do that in the other side as well to complete. Okay, but then I do have the finished product, okay, that I made already. So I created 4 of these. Okay, so four of these, and I have one already attached. Okay, so attached in this side, so the right side, and then now is the left side. Okay, so no, this one is the left side, and now this is going to the right side. Now what I'm going to do is insert it. Okay, so we have here going to the back is we have 2 string going to the back. Okay, so what I've done, okay, so from here I inserted in this part. Okay, so let's take this one and insert it there. Okay, so just there where you can find. Okay, and then just bring that and pull it through. Okay, and then in the other side, okay, I inserted in this part. Okay, so it's just, so I have two double crochet there, and then in the second one I'm just going to bring this up and pull it through and pull through the string. Okay, now we have that ready. So in the other side is the same thing. Okay, so this is our This is our right side. Okay, as you can see, this is facing up, so this is our right side. And then for the top one, for the string on the top, what I've done is, let me take this out for you. Okay, and as you can see here in this part on the top, okay, so you insert and pull it out, and then this long cord is, you have to go and put that inside, insert it inside, and then pull through, and then you're just going to pull that tight. So that is your string at the top. Okay, so this one as well, you have to do the same thing. Okay, so you just have to find the top part of your bra cup, okay, and then insert it there. So I made the string, 4 of them. Okay, you can adjust your measurement and with the back as well. So if you like longer, you can do longer. If you like shorter, you can do shorter as well. So it just depends. If this one is for small ones, of course you need shorter one. But then if you need it is for if you're making medium size or large, and then you're going to increase your chains. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, guys, and thank you very much for staying with me, and thank you for watching. This is our finished product, and this is really nice, really nice. So you can use, or you can create this as well in different using different yarn, but this one I use the acrylic. You can use cotton or something else. Okay, so thanks very much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.